My friends, if you have the adventure in your blood, then Monument Valley will be your ideal destination. Monument Valley, a land where nature's beauty and Navajo culture collide in stunning harmony. Located on the Arizona-Utah border, this iconic desert landscape is home to towering sandstone buttes, endless skies, and breathtaking vistas. From the famous mitten bars to the vibrant sunsets that paint the valley, Monument Valley offers a truly unforgettable experience. Join me as we explore this majestic landscape where every corner reveals the timeless magic of the American West. Welcome to the Monument Valley. Let's embark on a journey to uncover the hidden magic that makes Monument Valley so extraordinary. Number 1. Geological features. Monument Valley's landscape is characterized by dramatic rock formations, towering mesas, and buttes that rise majestically from the desert floor. These formations are composed of sandstone and have been sculpted over millions of years by the forces of erosion. Some key geological features include buttes, steep, flat-topped hills with vertical sides which give Monument Valley its iconic appearance. The mitten buttes are the most famous formations, resembling two giant mittens reaching up from the desert. Mesas, large flat-topped mountains often seen in the distance that are the remnants of ancient plateaus. These once stretched across the region but have been worn down over time. Spire rocks. The valley also contains spires or needle-like formations created through erosion processes that have worn away the softer rock layers, leaving behind these narrow rock columns. Desert landscape. The valley's desert floor is scattered with scattered shrubs and sagebrush, with the backdrop of endless blue skies during the day and vivid sunsets in the evening. Number 2. Cultural and historical significance. Navajo Nation. Monument Valley is located within the Navajo Nation, the largest Native American reservation in the US. The Navajo people have lived in the area for centuries and view the valley as sacred land. Many of the formations are named after the significant figures in Navajo culture, such as the Mittens and the Yai Chai. Number 3. Outdoor activities. Monument Valley is a paradise for those seeking outdoor adventure with various ways to explore its beauty, from scenic drives to hiking trails. Scenic Drive. The Monument Valley Scenic Drive is a 17-mile loop that is the most accessible way for visitors to explore the area. This drive takes you through the heart of the valley, providing access to famous landmarks such as the Mitten Bars, Totem Pole, the Three Sisters, and the Year of the Wind. Guided tours. For a more in-depth experience, visitors can join Navajo Guided Tour to explore the restricted areas of the valley by jeep tour, horseback riding, and walking tours. Hiking. There are a few hiking options in Monument Valley, though trails are limited due to the protected nature of the land. The Wildcat Trail is a 3.2-mile loop that is the only self-guided hiking trail, and it takes you close to the West Beaten Path. Number 4. Best time to visit. Season. The best time to visit Monument Valley is during the spring or fall, when the temperatures are milder and the weather is more comfortable for outdoor activities. Summers can be extremely hot, with temperatures often exceeding 100 degrees Fahrenheit, that is 38 degrees centigrade, and winters can be cold, especially at night. This place is perfect destination for photographer. This is the photographer's paradise. Accommodation options. The View Hotel. This hotel is famous for offering rooms with panoramic views of Monument Valley. Its location near the valley's entrance makes it a perfect place to stay. The hotel features a restaurant serving local Navajo cuisine and offers guided tours. Campgrounds. There are campsites available within the park for those looking to immerse themselves in nature. For a more rustic experience, visitors can also camp on the land, but it's important to obtain permits and follow local guidelines. Nearby towns. The nearest town with accommodations are Caintia in Arizona and Mexican Hat in Utah. These towns offer more basic motels, hotels and restaurants. How to reach? To reach Monument Valley from New York, you have several options, including flying, driving and combining both for an efficient journey. Monument Valley is located in the Navajo Nation on the Arizona-Utah border, so the nearest major cities to fly into are Salt Lake City, Phoenix or Flagstaff. From these cities, you will need to drive to Monument Valley. Flying from New York to a nearby airport. Step 1. Fly to Salt Lake City or Phoenix or Flagstaff. The fastest and most convenient way to start your journey is by flying. There are no direct flights to Monument Valley, so you will need to fly to a nearby city and drive to the valley. Salt Lake City about 2000 miles from New York, Phoenix about 2150 miles from New York, Flagstaff about 2000 miles from New York. Most major airlines like American Airlines, Delta and United offer flights from John F. Kennedy International Airport or LaGuardia Airport in New York to one of those cities with one layover. Flight time is generally between 5 to 7 hours depending on the destination and layovers. Driving from the airport to Monument Valley. Once you arrive at the airport, you will need to rent a car and drive to Monument Valley. The nearest airports are about 4 to 5 hours drive from Monument Valley. Driving from Salt Lake City. Driving time approximately 6 to 7 hours, about 380 miles. Route: take Interstate 15 south to US 6E and then continue on US 191S, which will lead you directly to Monument Valley. Driving from Phoenix. Drive time approximately 6 hours, about 320 miles. Route: take Interstate 17N, then Interstate 40E, followed by US 191N towards Monument Valley. Driving from Flagstaff. Drive time approximately 3.5 to 4 hours, about 200 miles. Route: take US 89N to US 160E, then follow US 163N directly to Monument Valley.